Joining us now is Professor Cheryl Bader with Fordham Law School, and Cheryl's joined us for analysis during the previous civil trial between Agent Carroll and Trump back in May of 2023. Cheryl, I have to ask you, the $83 million plus, just how likely is that to be paid, or do these findings often get knocked down or even thrown out?
So sometimes the findings will get knocked down, but I think in this case, the jury had really a blank check to decide, what was just and fair. And here we saw that, we saw a very defiant Trump in front of that jury, and I think they saw him as really being an incorrigible bully, and wanted to stick it to his pocketbook because that was the only way to deter him.
And also, Professor, in just discussing, as Tim and Allie, and we know Alice has been talking about, the behavior in the courtroom. We know the former president walked out today while the plaintiff's attorney was giving her closing arguments. When things like that happen, or outbursts verbally from a lawyer or others, how could that affect the outcome of a trial?
Right, so I think the jury seeing that defiance, that may have had an impact on the way they decided to punish Trump. Most litigants don't want to anger the judge, right? The jury's looking at that judge, and they are the ones controlling the courtroom. And although this judge did a lot to rein Trump in, I think Trump was acting out in some ways so that the judge would get angry. And that fits in with Trump's narrative of the judge hates me, the system is rigged. That means that, everyone's also against you by extension, and to really discredit the system. So I think that's, maybe part of his ploy.
Yeah, and indeed, he will be appealing, as he said tonight, so he'll be using the system to try and avoid this verdict. Professor Cheryl Bader of Fordham Law School, thank you so much indeed. And stay with CBS 2 for continuing coverage on the former president's criminal cases on air and online at CBSNewYork.com.